Do you need a quick reference document to perform a task in one of our software programs? Check out our knowledge base articles curated by our technical support team to help you easily navigate using our applications. From the main page of our website at allmaxsoftware.com, select Knowledge Base. The Knowledge Base main page will display all our current software products as well as any sections that have add-on features for our software. Click on the program you need help with, filter by the section of the program you need more information on, or scroll through the page to see all the knowledge base articles available. Each article is organized by topic, as you can see in the lower corner. All knowledge base articles are in PDF format for easy viewing and downloading. Each article will have screenshots of our latest software program with step-by-step instructions on how to perform the task at hand. It is easier than ever to find the information you need for getting the most out of our software with our knowledge base articles on our new website. And as always, if you need more information, reach out to us at AllMax Software directly or through our social media.